There are a few options.
Young surgeon is coming out from his MCH practice.
We had the same dilemma in mind. What to do? And we decide what percentage we should do. 3 months we saw what was our equations.
What is the prospect or what is take home?
ये 2 साल के बाद ही हम लोग आते हैं.
When they come out, they don't have to waste 2 years.
Doctors have to be market ready. Keval, tell me, if a young surgeon is coming out from his MCH practice, then he should join a hospital for a job, train himself more and skill, or he should venture into directive private practice?
Excellent. So, see, even when I passed, you passed, we had the same dilemma in mind. What to do? जैसे हम जब बाहर निकलते हैं ना, I already told that you come out and then you see that you are nowhere.
You're blank.
I mean, you are MCH, but you are blank. So in that way, what I did, I just started partnership with someone. So that is something which I did new, which the other peoples don't do. So people may start finding for a job. So one option is, there are a few options. First one is you go to a corporate or a hospital who hires your specialty.
So one is job.
One is job.
Okay.
Second one is that you join someone. Okay, that may be job, but there are prospectus of becoming partner, gaining partnership with him.
Partnership also, okay.
So I did was I directly started partnership. For 3 months we had an agreement.
But experience था, वो already
Experience
established है.
बंदा है.
अच्छा,
उसके साथ मैं join किया. Then we made a deal. Okay, he said that I don't know what you are going to do. Then I proposed him. हम एक काम करते हैं, 3 महीना देखते हैं.
Correct.
3 महीना में आप देखो मैं कितना जनरेट कर रहा हूँ. I mean patients and work and maybe associated finances, and then we decide what percentage we should do. So I started in that way. I started with a person and I joined him as an assistant for 3 months.
Very
and then
important.
3 months we saw what was our equations, and then finally we decided on a figure and then pursued it. So that is the second way. All depends on how well you are trained. I mean there are some institutes जहाँ से बंदे कुछ ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट होके नहीं निकलते हैं. So they don't have an option, but they have to join to some government setups as well.
Okay. Trust and government.
Government to enhance their skills. I mean, because if you're not going to perform in private, no one is going to come to you. So to enhance your skills, you should go to a place which has bulk of work, and then you can also
Learn
freshen up your skills. Yes, that's it. Those 3 ways of doing after you pass.
So tell me, this is a very unique question, but we ask everybody, what is the prospect or what is take home when you are 2 years into practice and 5 years into practice?
Okay. So I feel that when a person passes, 2 साल के बाद he starts realizing what is the market.
Exactly.
What is it. 2 साल बाद वो realize करना शुरू करता है कि अब मैं कहाँ हूँ, क्या हूँ, how things run. भाई पेशेंट कैसे आते हैं, हॉस्पिटल करना है, नहीं करना है, फाइनेंसेस कितने मुझे जरूरत पड़ेंगे और मुझे क्या करना है.
ये 2 साल के बाद ही हम लोग आते हैं.
हाँ, 2 साल के
बाद ही लोग हम लोग के एकेडमी में आते हैं. हम चाहते हैं कि एमबीबीएस से ही आ जाओ, बिकॉज देन यू वांट टू लर्न, लेकिन वो लोग नहीं आते हैं. तो 2 साल के मार्केट के बाद व्हेन दे सी कि अरे यार ये तो हमको कुछ आता ही नहीं है, मार्केट में तो कुछ और चल रहा है.
Exactly.
देन दे रियलाइज की इंपॉर्टेंस.
Exactly how market runs. That is very important to run, because as I always told that I always feel that this is lack in our curriculum, and I think we should encourage people to do this so that when they come out they don't have to waste 2 years.
Doctors have to be market ready.
Yes, they don't think उनको 2 साल बिगाड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. 3 साल बाद, 5 साल बाद काफी उनके एक्सपीरियंसेस बढ़ जाते हैं, and I feel that they are ready for market now, but still I feel as early the better.